Sup y'all, Dominoes 7 here, okay? Like to welcome y'all to this Dominoes 7 vlog, okay? You know what? I want to tell y'all something, okay? So this will be the first time in the Dominoes 7 show history, the Dominoes 7 vlog, Dominoes 7 video, Dominoes 7 production, that I have made a video about one of the Price is Right models, okay? Well, I mentioned Lanisha Cole in my videos, okay? But here we go. Okay, you know, when I was watching Manuela on Price is Right today, okay, she's pregnant, everybody. I knew she was. I had a hunch she was, you know, when she was on her stomach like this or whatever. Excuse me. I was like, you know what? She about to have a baby, you know. Until Drew Carey mentioned, you know, Drew Carey mentioned it, you know. Yes, indeed, though. Okay, Manuela's having a baby. Congratulations. Congratulations, Manuela. Okay, you're gonna be a mommy. You're gonna be a mommy. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. That's excitement. Okay. All right. So you know what? Speaking of Manuela, I want to tell y'all when they had that Price is Right search for the new model, or should I say model search? Okay, I mean, you know, I went on PriceRight.com and voted for Manuela. Okay, I was hoping she would be the new model, but guess what? Amanda wound up winning, and unfortunately, she left the show. What the hell happened? Did she got fired or what? All right. So anyway, when Mimi made her debut on The Price is Right, Manuela came back. You know, so Manuela met Mimi. Okay. Well, at that note, it's what's her name? Mimi Bobek, Kathy Kenny. Yeah, Kathy Kenny. Okay. Drew Carey's nemesis. Okay. I'm surprised Mimi didn't show up with George Gray being there, you know. I wonder how it would have been if George Gray would meet Mimi, okay. They probably met behind closed doors, okay. So, anyway, congratulations to Manuela having a baby, okay. Alright, so anyway, I must say, I still miss Lanisha Cole on Price is Right, you know. Okay, so anyway, I continue on watching Price is Right, you know. And then when Lanisha left, I stopped half of the time. So anyway, I take it back on Mike Richards ruining The Price is Right. But speaking of Price is Right, at least the ratings is picking up, you know. It's still the best, longest running game show of all times, you know. But I hate the changing of the games, you know. I love the new pricing games that are coming up. I love Hot Seat, you know. Okay. I like Venter Price, you know. But I miss the sound effects from Penny Ante, you know. So they brought that back. I loved it, but I can't believe. I really cannot believe they stopped it. You know. Okay. So never mind that though. Okay. So congratulations to Manuela. I pray to God that she was gonna be the new model, but Amanda won. Akima didn't win. You know. At least Manuela's still on the show. But I enjoyed Amanda on the show, you know. I don't know her last name, and some of the other models, you know. I wonder what Gabby doing. I wonder what Shane Sterling doing. Brandy Sherwood, and who else? Well, Rachel Reynolds. She's still on The Price is Right. She the only model that's still on the show from the Bob Barker and Rod Roddy era, okay? Tamiko, she's gone. I can't believe she's gone, you know. That was very unfortunate. And Gwendolyn Osborne, she left us, you know. All right. I mean, technically, I want to tell y'all something. I did not expect Gwendolyn to leave The Price is Right, you know. Okay. So that's that was sad news, you know. Maybe she'll come back to The Price is Right. You never know. And as for Manuela, I congratulate her once again, being a runner-up of the model search and coming back to Price is Right. God is good. And not only that, getting married. God bless the family. And she's having a baby. God is good all the time, you know. I pray for these celebrities though, you know, but I'm also glad that she was on the show when Bob Barker came back to visit. That was when Rich Felix was still on the show. At least Manuela had a chance to meet Bob Barker, but unfortunately Amber, she haven't met Bob Barker to my knowledge. If she met Bob Barker, it was behind closed doors, you know. Okay. All right. So again, congratulations, Manuela. Okay. You're doing great. Okay. All right. I'm about to watch a little Price is Right on my TV on YouTube. You know, I tape a lot of episodes of Price is Right. Some before Katrina, lost that in Katrina. Okay. And that's that. All right. So thank y'all for watching. All right. I'm about to watch a little Price is Right. All right. Bye.